Hi, my name is Eric, and I am a full-time traveler. I've been on the road for just under a year, and I am out here at this beautiful campground to tell you today why the Matein 40-liter travel backpack is the perfect bag for your weekend getaway or next travel destination. One of the things I want to point out right away is just how comfortable this backpack is to wear. The straps on this are extremely comfortable and padded so well, it makes wearing it all day just a breeze. I especially love this cross strap on the front to take all the weight off my shoulders. Extra padding has been included on the back to make wearing it all day easy and comfortable. On the back of the bag, there's actually a pocket so you can throw keys, passport, driver's license, wallet, anything you need. A luggage strap has been added to the back so that you can attach it to your suitcase and roll it through the airport without any problems. I absolutely love these compression straps, which have been added to the sides so that you can cinch down your bag when you're traveling light or expand them if you're taking a long trip. This reinforced strap on the top is comfortable and makes the bag easy to carry. A reflective safety strip has been added to the back so you can safely use this even in dim lit areas. This bag doesn't have one, not two, not three, but 4 pockets for all your storage needs. The outside smaller pocket has a mesh netting which makes it easy to carry things like your toothbrush, deodorant, and toothpaste. The middle pocket is perfect for all your business needs, like pens, papers, and even hard drives. The main compartment is roomy and spacious, which allows you to organize your personal items quickly and easily. Internal compression elastic straps have been added to secure all your items as well. I really like this last pocket, which has room to accommodate up to a 17-inch laptop. My favorite feature though has to be this included USB charging port. Simply attach your battery pack to the inside, then attach your phone or tablet or anything else you need charged on the outside. Another great addition is this included shoe bag, which means you don't have to throw your dirty shoes in with your clean clothes. The 40-liter travel backpack by Matein is Tsa Friendly and airplane approved. The backpack meets the maximum size allowed by most airlines, which means it can fit under your seat or in the overhead bin. The 40-liter travel backpack by Matein is just 2.64 pounds, is water resistant, is made of durable anti-scratch material, can store 3 to 7 days of travel essentials, comes with a removable waterproof shoe caddy, has reflective safety strips and anti-theft pockets, and has an included USB charging port. The 40-liter travel backpack by Matein. Get yours at Matein.com.